Every time geopolitical tensions rise, some industries gain quietly. Global companies do not like uncertainty. And as the tensions between major powers continue to reshape the global trade, businesses are quietly looking to diversify their supply chains. This creates opportunities for India in sectors like electronics, manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, renewable energy equipment, and increasingly defense production. Recent conflicts around the world have forced countries to look inward for defense production and reduce their dependency on foreign suppliers. They are now working on developing domestic manufacturing capabilities and securing reliable defense partners. India is moving in that direction too. In recent years, India has reduced its dependence on imported defense equipment and is pushing for indigenous manufacturing and meaningful technology transfer agreements with reliable partners. During Operation Sindoor, India made systems such as Akash Air Defense, BrahMos missiles, and indigenous drone systems gain significant traction, strengthening confidence in India's defense equipment manufacturing capabilities. The Philippines has already signed a deal with India to acquire Indian made BrahMos missiles, and countries like UAE are also showing interest in exploring Indian options, which include BrahMos and Akash air defense system. And here's what's driving their interest. India offers a combination of competitive pricing, growing technological prowess, and strategic neutrality that appeals to many countries. Today, as countries diversify their risks and strengthen their defense capabilities, India has a historic opportunity to not just emerge as a manufacturing hub, but also as a strategic superpower. The question is no longer if there is an opportunity, rather, if India can seize it.